In this video you'll see a demonstration of drone-assisted parcel pickup and delivery. Here, there are multiple customers that need to be served. Customers can receive parcels, send them, or both. A truck will depart from the depot with all the parcels to be delivered and will also bring a drone to perform some of the tasks. Some clients will be served by the truck and others by the drone. The drone then goes back to the truck to get ready for the next operation. This is the driver. He is leaving the depot with every order for the route. He also has the drone already in the truck. The driver is about to do the first delivery. Next, he will take the drone out of the truck. Since the next operation is a delivery, he will load the drone and send it to the customer. The driver will now continue to his next stop. The drone is now arriving at the customer's location. This is the customer. She is both receiving and sending parcels. She will first unload the drone and then load it with the outgoing package. The drone can now go back to the truck to deliver the customer's parcel and perform the next operation.